Introducing SlingAI, the pure intelligence within redSling. With SlingAI, data modeling becomes effortless. No more building schemas manually or wiring up entity relationships. Just describe your app in plain language like, build a data model for a loan management system with customers, loans, repayments, and default tracking. SlingAI instantly returns a complete, production-ready model. Defined entities like customer, loan, and repayment fields with the right data types and logical relationships suggested embedding or referencing structures. Validation rules are automatically included. And this isn't basic scaffolding, it's a fully structured model, persisted in the database and ready to evolve with your app. From prompt to precision data models in seconds. No barriers, instant and effortless results with pure intelligence. This is intelligent data modeling. It's already here. Built with SlingAI. Only on redSling.